in honor of my mom, I'm going to have all of my brothers and sisters sing this song in honor of my mom. If we start crying, you'll have to forgive us. But, Dad, are you going to sing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, do you want to start it?